Hi besties, today's recipe is Fante Fante. I'm here to show you how to prepare a delicious Fante Fante recipe. Let's dive into the video. So that's my red snapper, okay, that's my red fish. It's been cleaned, well clean already. So I'll just go ahead and divide them into two equal parts. Okay, you can just go ahead and divide it into three or not divide it at all. Okay, so after dividing, I'll just put it in a big bowl. Okay, as you are seeing, then I'll go ahead and add my vinegar. So those vinegar, and then I'll add some lime and some salt, and I'll soak it in the water for just 2 minutes, and I'll wash it again. Then after, I'll add my garlic and ginger powder, and then my fish seasoning and some salt to taste. Okay, then I'll use my hands to massage it very well and set it aside. So I put it in my fridge. So those are the vegetables we are going to use: some ginger, habanero peppers, garlic, and then some onions and fresh tomatoes. Okay, so I'll just slice them and then blend the garlic, ginger, pepper together, and then blend the onions separately and then the tomatoes separately. Trust me, you can blend everything together, but I don't know why I feel like doing it like this. Okay, so that's my hot pot. I'll go ahead and add my palm oil. Okay, then I'll add my rosemary and then some thyme. Okay, it's totally an optional. If you don't like rosemary, please keep this side. Okay, and then just add some sliced onions. Okay, it also worked perfectly. All right, I just want the rosemary and the thyme to infuse in the oil. That is why I like the aroma. So those my garlic, ginger, and then the pepper mix. Okay, I'm going to fry this for just 1 minute, then I'll add my onions. Okay, as you can see, I didn't blend the onions very smooth. I know the reason why I did it like that. I just wanted it like this, exactly like this. Then I introduced my tomatoes. The tomatoes too, I didn't blend it very smooth. Okay, so at this point, you just stir till everything mixed, and then you cover it, lower your stove. Okay, and then let it cook. Keep checking it from time to time so you don't burn it. Okay, that is what I did. Just keep checking it from time to time. Make sure you lower your stove because you don't want a mess, trust me. So at this point, you could see that it was cooked for 10 minutes. So I'll just go ahead and add my stew seasoning. Okay, that's my stew seasoning. Then I'll add my seasoning cube. Okay, so after adding the seasoning cube, I'm going to add salt. Okay, I'm going to add just a little salt because of the fish. Okay, it has a lot of salt in it, so I just don't want to take chances at all. So at this point, I'm going to introduce my fish onto my stew. Okay, as you're seeing, then give it a gentle stir. Okay, and then cover it and be checking from time to time. Remember, lower your stove so you don't get it burnt. Okay, so cover it and then let it cook and be checking it from time to time. Okay, that is what I did because my stove is already lowered. I just don't want to take chances, as in I don't want it to get burnt. I don't want it to be scattered, so I stir it very gentle. Okay, because the fish is very fragile, so you have to treat it with care. Okay. Okay, so that is what I kept doing. I kept checking, stirring till it was ready. Guys, just trust me. This smells so amazing and it was so delicious. So guys, keep supporting your girl. My followers on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Oh, my subscribers on YouTube. my returnees. God bless you guys so much for your massive support. I really appreciate you guys, and I love you guys. Please don't stop. So at this point, I'm coming to serve myself and enjoy myself. I hope you're going to give it a try and let me know in the comment section. Kindly give it a try, okay? Because you just don't want to miss this recipe. Just try it. It's so nice. Try it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Dr. Rosie. Bye.